Hello, welcome to the Practicing English story number 1. Now you are going to listen to a story. Then I will ask many questions about the story. You must answer every question. Use your pause button and answer the question. Then play again. You can answer with just one word or 2 words. It's okay. Short answers are okay. Okay, let's start. Jane and her happy family. There is a girl. Her name is Jane. She is 9 years old. She is from New York. She is a student. She is very clever. Her brother John is 16 years old. He is very tall and strong. He is a basketball player. Her mother, Lisa, is a doctor, and her father, Bobby, is an accountant. Their house is very big. They also have a fast red car. They have lots of money. They are very rich, and they are very happy. There is a girl. Her name is Jane. What is her name? Jane. Her name is Jane. Is her name Jane? Yes, her name is Jane. Is her name Kate? No, her name is not Kate. Her name is Jane. Is her name Susan or Jane? Her name is not Susan. Her name is Jane. How old is she? She is 9 years old. Is she 10 years old? No, she isn't. She is not 10 years old. She is 9, or she is 9 years old. Where is she from? She is from New York. Is she from San Francisco, or is she from New York? She is not from San Francisco. She is from New York. Jane is a student in New York. Is she a teacher? No, she isn't. She is not a teacher. She is a student. Is she a student? Yes, she is. Jane is a student. Where is she from? She is from New York. Jane is a 9-year-old student in New York, and she is a very clever girl. Is she a stupid girl? No, she is not. She is not a stupid girl. Jane is a very clever girl. She is very smart. Is she lazy? No, she is not. Jane isn't a lazy girl. She is a hard-working girl. She is very clever and smart. Jane has a brother. His name is John. Who is Jane's brother? John. Her brother is John. Jane's brother is John. Is John Jane's sister? No, he is not her sister because he is a boy. He is her brother. Who is Jane? She is John's sister. How old is John? How old is he? He is 16 years old. Is he 20 years old? No, he isn't. He is not 20 years old. He is 16. Is he 16 years old? Yes, he is. He is 16 years old. He is very tall and strong. Is he short? No, he isn't. He is not short. John is tall. Is John tall a little bit? No, not a little bit. He isn't tall a little bit. He is very tall. Is John a weak boy? No, he isn't. He is not a weak boy. He is strong. Why is John tall and strong? Because he is a basketball player. Is he a football player? No, he is not. He is not a football player. He is a basketball player. Is he a tennis player? No, he is not. He isn't a tennis player. He is a basketball player. Is he a baseball player or basketball player? He is not a baseball player. He is a basketball player. Who is Jane and John's mother? Lisa. Their mother is Lisa. What is her name? Lisa. Her name is Lisa. Who is Lisa? She is Jane and John's mother. Is she a housewife? No, she is not. She isn't a housewife. Is she a taxi driver? No, she isn't. She is not a taxi driver. She is a doctor. What is her job? She is a doctor. Lisa is a doctor. Is Lisa a nurse? No, she isn't. She is not a nurse. She is a doctor. Who is Bobby? He is Lisa's husband. He is also John and Jane's father. What is Bobby's job? He is an accountant. Is he a policeman? No, he isn't. He is not a policeman. He is an accountant. Is he a dentist? No, he isn't. He isn't a dentist. He is an accountant. What is his job? Accountancy. His job is accountancy. He is an accountant. Is he married? Yes, he is. He is married with Lisa. He is her husband. Is Bobby single? No, he isn't. He is not single. He is married. Who is his wife? Lisa. His wife is Lisa. Is Lisa Bobby's sister? No, she is not. She isn't his sister. She is his wife. They are married. Who is their daughter? Jane. Jane is their daughter. Is Jane their sister? No, she is not. She is not their sister. She is their daughter. Who is their son? John. John is their son. Is John their brother? No, he isn't. He is not their brother. He is their son. Is he their father? No, he is not. He is not their father. He is their son. They are a family, and they have a big house. Are they friends? No, they aren't. They are not friends. They are family. Is the house big? Yes, it is. It is big. Their house is very big. Is their house small? No, it isn't. It is not small. It is very big. They also have a fast red car. Is their car slow? No, it isn't. It is not slow. It is fast. It is a fast car. Is it yellow? No, it isn't. It is not yellow. It is red. Their car is red. It is a fast red car. What color is their car? Red. It is red. Their car is red. They have a big house. They have a fast car, and they have lots of money. They are rich. Are they poor? No, they aren't. They aren't poor. They are very rich. Are they rich? Yes, they are. They are rich. They have a big house. They have a fast car and they are very rich. So, are they happy? Yes, they are. They are very happy. Are they sad? Are they unhappy? No, they aren't. They are not sad and unhappy. They are happy. That is the end of the Practicing English story number 1. Listen to the stories every day, 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. It doesn't matter, as much as you can. You will practice English listening and speaking repeatedly, so you will improve quickly. Okay, I will see you next time. Bye-bye.